These are great debates to have with patients. So point number one, clinical trials are not for everyone. They require a lot of work from the patient. The patient's up and down, they're doing a lot of testing, a lot of traveling, it can take over their life. And you know, a businessman running a company, he might not have time to be going up to a trial centre that could be 100 miles away from where he lives. But they are right for some people, that's absolutely true, and there's no doubting it. Clinical trials can give access to drugs earlier. But we must remember, new isn't always better. New might be better, but a lot of early phase trial design is actually looking at toxicity, looking at pharmacokinetics, how much of the drug is around, are there any unexpected side effects? And of course, great efficacy is fantastic if it works, but you must remember that trial design builds from these very early phase trials when we've got to look, actually, is it tolerable in humans, into the slightly more advanced trials when we're then asking, look, does it work? And it is quite an individual thing that depends on the patient, where they are with their disease, and what non-trial treatment options are available. So it needs a lot of discussion. Of course, particularly in the relapse setting, then actually travelling for trials is something that we've got to recommend if that's the right thing. You know, a great example, I have a chap who was fourth line 17p deleted in a really difficult position, and he travelled all the way from the east of England across to Plymouth to join Simon Rule's trial of the Ono Pharma BTK inhibitor. I think he was the second in man patient, done brilliantly. And it was right for him to travel 4-5 hours every week across the country to get on a trial. And I think that's what it's beholden for us, the clinicians, to make sure we're aware of what is available, and actually we help our patients make the right decision. Not every centre can have every trial open, fact.